So I've had this issue for a while now where when I try starting the Jeep, it's a 4.0 liter Wrangler 2001. Tried several things. I replaced the spark plugs, bunch of sensors, idle air control sensor, crankshaft position. I haven't done camshaft yet, but I don't know that's a problem. So, summary of the problem. Put the key in, let it sit about 10-20 seconds, and then this happens. It's especially bad during cold weather. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Before I throw a new starter, and I already tested if there's fuel pressure. There's fuel in the rail line, so I'm assuming that's fine. Before I get a new starter or any other major thing, if there's anybody out there who's had this issue, let me know. Again, this is what you hear when you turn the key. If I fight with it enough, it'll turn on, but sometimes I'm in a hurry. It doesn't work out so well. Thanks for your help.